Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making a working Spotify charm for Valentine's Day. I will be making one for my husband with our 2 wedding songs, and another for my sister with 2 of the many songs that are meaningful to us. So let's get started. The first thing I did for this project was to generate the codes. I did this by searching for the songs I wanted on Spotify. When I found the song, I right-clicked and created this drop-down. Then I chose Share and Copy Song Link. Once that was copied, I opened up the site spotifycodes.com and pasted the URL to get the Spotify code. Once generated, I went ahead and downloaded that. Next, I opened up my Cricut software and uploaded the code. I used the tools to remove the background image, leaving only the barcode remaining. I added it to my project, resized it, and then began the process of making it into a vinyl. When it was done printing, I used some transfer tape and pressed that onto my vinyl securely so that I could use backwards weeding to get out the barcode. This type of weeding works best for projects with fine letters and designing. I did have a little bit of weeding to do with my tweezers afterward, but this made the weeding process go way faster. I put my vinyl to the side and then began the process of pigmenting and pouring my UV resin to make the charms. For my husband's charm, I chose a red to white gradient, and for my sister's, I chose to make it sky blue to white. After each pour, I used heat to pop the bubbles left in the resin, and then I placed them into the UV light to cure. After the first cure, I flipped each piece over and repeated the process on the other side. I didn't like the hole at the top of my charms for the jump ring placement, so I used a little UV to fill up those holes and cured it using my little UV flashlight. When the pieces were fully cured, I added the vinyl decals to each side of the charm. I made sure all of the codes worked, and then I added a thick, clear layer of UV resin to dome each side of the charm. I made sure to carefully cure them in my UV light between each pour. Now that the curing is finished, I used my hand drill to make holes at the top of each charm and screwed in an eyelet screw. I placed each charm on a jump ring and then attached a keychain to finish them off. Here's my sister's charm. And here's my husband's charm. My husband's charm has an extra keychain piece because I'm going to be making something in my next video to go here. I'm very happy with how these turned out, and I already have an idea on more for me to make and ways to make the process go smoother next time. Is this something maybe you would like to see in the future? Let me know in the comment section below. If you're new here and you like what you see, make sure you hit the subscribe button and check out the description for my other social medias. I post there often. Thanks again for watching. Bye!